How to prevent COVID-19? Tips number 1. Always use hand sanitizer. Whenever you go to the building like supermarket, don't forget to use hand sanitizer. Tips number 2. Don't do handshake, use leg instead. Never do the handshake, especially with this guy. Use your leg instead for safety. Tips number 3. Don't touch anything suspicious. Never touch anything like this balcony. Just walk away. That's how you do it. Tips number 4. Don't use lip. Just don't. Tips number 5. Don't forget to wash your hand, especially in time like this. Tips number 6. Wear glove for better protection. Put your glove on and you can touch anything. But don't forget to wash it also. Ew. Ew, ew, ow. Tips number 7. Wear mask whenever you go. I know, it sucks. Thank you for watching.